Alright, now second condition what is given is that this pyramid rests on its triangular face on the ground. Okay, so this is a triangular face. This line represents triangular face. It should be on the ground. Okay, so to do that, first I have to draw that triangular face on the ground. So what I am going to do is click this circle command and click this end point. Okay. After that, select the move command. Click this line and move it and press F8 key and move it somewhere on that side. Okay. Now draw the line, select the center of the circle and the edge of the line. Okay. After you get this line, select the circle and delete it. This is basically your line. Okay. And just to distinguish from the X line, I'm going to increase the thickness of this line so that it is easily distinguishable. So 0.35. So now you can see this line. Okay. Next, draw the circle from corner to, then again do a move, take the circle and move it and close this window, pick the circle and another circle over here, select move, pick the circle, right click, pick the center and move it over here. Okay, I don't know if you are able to understand what I am doing. So what I am doing then is I am just constructing the arcs. Okay, so here drawing the arc will be tedious. So instead of drawing an arc, I am just drawing the complete circle. Okay, now complete the pyramid. So join these 2 points and also join these 2 points. Right, and then I will just delete the 2 circles. Okay, now select the line command and pick it, join it to the midpoint. See, it should snap the midpoint. So it says midpoint. When it says midpoint, click and do an escape. Now pick the line and okay, so this is basically your center line. So I'm just going to go match properties, select the center line, right click, no, not right click and just paste it over here. Okay, so both are now center lines. And again do match properties, 1, 2, right? Similarly, I will change the dark, make these lines also thick. 1, 2, and base. Similarly, the outline and do right click and enter. Alright. So now the solid is resting on its triangular face on HP. Okay. Alright. So this is the second stage front view. Okay, now we will do the second stage top view. So select the line command and draw projectors from the ends. Select the line command, drop it down, select another line command, drop it down, select another line command and drop it vertically down. Okay. Now draw the projectors from the top. 1 and 2 and 3. Alright. Now join the all the points. To outer edge. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean this object a little bit by using the trim command. So select the trim command and click on it and pick up the entire objects and do a right click and then just trim some of the excess lines which we don't need to avoid the clutter. Now, now again you can make the outline thick with the line 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, select the trim command, right click, 1, 2. Alright, and this is the axis. So I'm going to go to match property. So go to match properties, pick the axis center line and paste it over. Okay. And then do right click, escape, do escape. Okay. And just for consistency, just draw the projectors. Don't make the projectors. So projector should be thin line. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to pick the outline of the. Okay. Now one more thing that is remaining is the outline is visible, then this edge is also visible, but there are two edges of this triangular face which is lying on which the solid is resting. So those lines are hidden. So construct those slant edges. So join the apex, one and another one, select the apex and join the other line. Okay, and change the thickness, match properties, pick one, paste, right click, enter, and then select. So these two inner lines, those lines will be hidden. So click them and change them to hidden lines. Okay. If they're too big and they don't look good, go to properties and just reduce the scale and see what happens. Okay. I have changed the scale to 0.5, so now it looks good. Okay. Now pick all the lines of the solid. 1, 2, 3, 4, axis, right, and then select the copy and select the base pen and move the solid slightly out and do escape. Okay, okay. This line is remaining, so you can just draw the line, go to line, pick, join it, and just do match properties, pick this line and pick this line. So no issues. If something is left behind, you can always do this. Okay. Now select all these lines and convert it into group. Okay. Now what is given? The plane, the vertical plane containing the axis. Okay. So this vertical plane will pass through this axis in fact. Okay. And that makes an angle of 45 degrees with VP. So you have to rotate this in such a way that this vertical plane is making an angle of 45 degrees. So in other words, the axis is making an angle of 45 degrees with VP. Okay. So to do that, select the rotate command, we're just going to close this window. Select the rotate command, pick, select the solid, right click, select the apex, and give a rotation of 45. So minus 45. Why minus 45? Because whenever you are giving rotations, you have to always give rotation in clockwise direction. And oh, just a minute. Now, now I will just undo this.